Hey everyone, so I'm in the middle of covering the roof over, but we need to put all fascia boards along the front of the roof. So picked up these logs the other day and I'm going to mill them. So yeah, let's get milling. So I think I got about 12 meters from that, which is enough to do the whole of the front there. Just stacked it off on a pallet in here. Now this is oh sorry, still zoomed in. So yeah, this is a larch. It's very durable, so it should last 15 years untreated, exposed. So that's going to be a good quality wood. I'm meaning to do a video about wood durability soon, because there's so much misconception about how long wood will last, and not all wood is equal. So yeah, like I say, this should last 15 years exposed, untreated, and that's why we're using it for the fascias. Okay, let's set up another log and mill it up. Alright, just starting another log. Don't have a ripping chain for this bar, so it's not the most efficient cut, but just sharpened up. It's old as well, it's right down to the nubs, but we'll get a bit more use out of it. Right, get this log done out of it anyway. Right then, nice little day's milling. Well, half day actually. It's about 30 meters of wood there, which should be, I've worked out it's about 27 meters, so 30, yeah, a bit of waste. Might just do it. That is 3 logs, so if I need to do another one, I've got another one just there. But we'll see how we get on with that. Okay, that's how we do them. That's the first one up. I can come along and clean them up with a little plane or something if I want to afterwards. It would have been nice to have a bit more heartwood up here, but it's going to be okay. I'll treat them from the backs and stuff. Because like I say, this will actually last like 15 years, maybe even more. But only the heartwood, the sapwood won't. The sapwood will rot away. Okay, let's carry on around. So yeah, the way I'm getting these round these corners is like that, look. So they're getting cut at angles and they overlap each other. You see the joint on the outside, but like I say, I'll scuff that a bit, but that's okay. I can clean that up if I want to, or leave it rough and rustic. So let's get this next one on. So the first job is to cut, just freehanding it with this chainsaw, cut straight down there, and that'll slide behind this next one, get it bolted up against something there, and then trim it off from the front. Okay, I'm in quite a lot of pain today. I did my elbow in again. I was putting those big hoses onto the hydro which I was plumbing the other day. Oh god, the video's not out yet, but it will be soon. At least I don't think it will be by the time we see this. But yeah, in a lot of pain. It's done again, tendonitis. Right, gotta take it easy. This cut to the right line now. Got to have a really good sense for what level is doing this. I'm pretty good at that. I've been doing it for a long time. I've got intuition. Yeah, I just want to check it's recording there. I've got like an intuition of the saw. I know what level is really. So yeah, I can do it. But sometimes it might be a good idea to put a little level on top. Battery. Then I just come along, pick one of these in it. It's pre-drilled. Take that little screw out. And then work our way around to the next one. Making good progress, nice and wiggly. Have to do a cut and a join on every piece because obviously it's a curve. But yeah, that's all we can do. Work our way around. I got a few more up, but it is just too hot out here. It's ridiculous. I can't. Yeah, I'm gonna get like sunstroke or something. So yeah, it's just gonna call it a day. About halfway around, running low on wood. Got a few more bits, but definitely have to do one more log for sure. So mill one more, get those other bits up tomorrow probably. Hopefully it's a bit cooler because this is just too much for me. Hey everyone, new day, a bit cooler today, overcast, which is nice. Duck under those trees, do the old commute to work. So today I'm going to carry on putting up those fascia boards on the front. Probably not got enough, so I might mill a log as well. We'll see. It looks like it might rain a bit, but that's fine too. We would like rain. But yeah, anything's better than yesterday. It was just too hot. It was about 28 degrees, I think. And that's obviously in the shade, so too much for me. Happy when it's like this. So yeah, let's get on, do those fascia boards. Right, slowly working my way around here, around the side now. Just going to put up a nice big long straight one across here. This is one that I've got, so get it up there. Shouldn't be too difficult. I need to cut that down first now. From above. But yes, I will do that from above. Okay, and that piece will go in there. Well, I'm round to there, but I'm running low on wood. I've got a few little bits lying around, but definitely don't have enough. So let's get this log here milled up and get this finished, and then I'm planning on having a nice tidy up around here and all in the workshop, get all these bits off the floor and everything. And yeah, we'll be turfing up this roof and covering it over and everything soon, so very, very exciting. Right, that's another 8 metres cut. I like to do it in bits, not just do it all day to get a big pile, because it does no good for your hands, makes your hands go tingly. So yeah, 8 metres there, roughly, with the other little bits I got lying around. Should be enough. Yeah, be pretty close anyway. yeah, it'd be enough. Right, have a little break, we'll carry on. Right, that is our fascia boards. Sorry, a bit of wind. Done all the way around. Very pleased. Cost me 40 quid in wood. I milled it all myself and everything. But yeah, brilliant. Looks good from back here. Very pleased. So now we can carry on with the rest of the roof. So I just got a van full of recycled carpet and a bit more hessian, and I can finish off the rest of the roof now. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much for watching.